All right, so let's go ahead and create a new screen, and let's call it post link.js. All right, so here we will show the input field. So we need to allow the user to paste a link. All right, and then we will show one more input field so that user can type something as a title for that link. Okay, so we can start with some imports. So import React, and then we need use state hook. Then we want to import some components from React Native, so we need safe area view. That's the one we're going to use for view. Scroll view we will need a bit later, and text input, that is another component you can import from React Native. So text input is something like text area in regular HTML, so it will allow you to input text. All right, so that's the one we want from React Native. By the way, this text input, unless you apply some styling, you give some height and width, some background color, it's really hard to notice. Unless you click, you will not even notice it is there. I guess, but we will cover all that. We have to do quite a bit of styling here. Next thing, we can show the footer tabs as well on this component. So import footer from, so we have to go one step up, get inside components folder, and then nav footer tabs, and then we want the text component from Colorado React Native text, and we need to show the submit button as well for the something like this when the user is ready to submit the link. So submit button from, so we go inside components, auth, so we have put that button inside auth, I think, so that's right, we can just import from there. Now before we do anything, let me just write a very simple component just so that we can see visually. Post link equals to, let me return, so here let me use safe area view, and inside here scroll view, so this form, and then we will be showing the preview as well. So this can take a lot of height, so we will allow it to be scrollable so that nothing is hidden, you know. So scroll view, so inside scroll view, let's write something for the moment. Text, let's say paste website URL, let's write that, and then we can give some styling, make it light, center, and then style, we give a bit of a style, padding top 30. Now before doing anything further, let's see how this looks. So export default post link. Okay, so now we have this screen. Let's go to screens nav, components nav, screens nav, import that screen, post link. All right, and then that should be visible only for the logged in user, so authenticated. Here we're going to add that, so let's copy, paste, give this a name, post link, post link. Now this header, the options, I think we need an option, because if you don't want to show it like this, maybe you want to show it like this with space, in that case you can use the options. Alright, so let's use that. So options, you can give any options. Let's just write post space link, and header tabs for sign out, we don't need to show that here. Actually we can leave it, that's right. Name, I think we just leave it as post. Sorry, not here. Title, we just leave it post. Okay, so we have this screen as well. So let's go, let's sign in, and once sign in, that one we can make it clickable. So when they click, we will take them to post link screen. Okay, so we already had post screen. Okay, let me have a look at that post. Okay, so we already had that. Let me just remove this one. Let me remove this file because I have already created post link. So move to trash. Instead, I'm going to go to the footer tab and just change that to post link. Post link. Screen name post link. Awesome. Let me give a refresh. Okay, so I have to change the import as well. Post link. There is no import of any of these, so it looks good here. Let's go back to screens nav on top. Okay, so this one, we don't need that one. Post link, so yeah, that import we had for the previous link, now we don't have that anymore. So I'm pretty sure, okay, so that was here, so let me remove that from here as well. Awesome, now let's reload. If you have some issues, maybe just quit the server and reload, sometimes that helps, but okay, so it's back. Now if I click here, we are on this page, paste website URL, we have that content as well. Awesome. And we've got this warning, failed prop type. Let me just have a look. Failed prop type, invalid style, padding top. Okay, so there's a typo, I missed the Z padding. Let me fix that. That one is okay, so that means right here, padding. Awesome. Okay, so that is working now. Padding top, it's a bit of a space here. Beautiful.